Okay, I have misspelled everything. Hi, this is Chandra. Today I'm going to show you the Chester Creek VisionBoard2 keyboard. VisionBoard2 is a large print keyboard for people with visual impairments. These keys are 1 inch, which is really big, so you really just got to kind of see it. And I have the yellow version here. This is a wired keyboard that has a USB wired plug. It has 2 USB ports on the side, which is unique, so you could plug your mouse into it or your cell phone or something that you need to power. And here's what it looks like. So you can see these are yellow keys with bold black lettering. The lettering is very thick, very large. They also like to point out that their F keys are a different shape so that it's easy to distinguish hitting your F buttons up on the top. But here's the thing that you need to know about this keyboard. It's highly rated. It's for sale on Amazon. It's for sale on Walmart. People really like it. But if you're a fast touch typist, you need to be aware of the extra size of these keys. You can see here how small my hand looks on this. I think that this would slow me down as a typist. Now, when I've used this keyboard is I got one for a gentleman one time who had very large hands, very large fingers. And his problem was, you know, aside from the fact that he couldn't see the keys, he was always fat fingering and hitting 2 keys because his hands were so large. And he loved this keyboard. But other than that, I think that this is not going to be great for a fast typist. So let me see if I can demonstrate that. What I want to show you is that when I rest my hands on home row, first off, they're very spread out. Now, on a good day, I type about 90 words a minute. So I'm going to type this is a test of the emergency. Oh, man, that's quite a reach for the B. So there you go. This is the Chester Creek VisionBoard2 keyboard. It's available for anywhere from $65 to about $110. Amazon was the cheapest. So great for somebody with really large hands who would like the keys spread out a little bit more. Great for the high contrast colors, but you've got to be aware of that 1 inch keys when you're trying to type. So it just goes to show you shouldn't listen to anything I say. So I took all my keyboards that I had just talked about to go see someone and see which one would be the best fit. Guess which one I didn't come back with? The VisionBoard2, right? So first I showed the Enable Mart one, and even though the box looks like it's yellow, I've got the white one. He said this was just a big white blur. There wasn't enough contrast. He couldn't see the black lettering on the keys, so that one was quickly discounted. Then I showed him the Magic. He said similar things. There wasn't enough contrast. This was just a big black blur. You couldn't make out the individual keys. That one was discounted. And then I showed him the Keys You See, the yellow with the black keys, and he could see this and he liked it. But then when I showed him the Vision board with the giant keys and he looked at it, he said, this is the one. This is the one I can see the best on. And I said, are you sure? Because you can't, you know, really touch type smoothly on it. He said, I'm a hunter and a pecker. I just type like this, and this is the one that I can see the best on. So that's the one I left with him. It's been over a week. I thought if he found that the keys were too large, he'd be coming back. We'd be doing the Keys You See. This would have been the next best alternative. So what's the takeaway? The takeaway is always try before you buy. That you can't just look at a video or read the specs online. Everybody's vision is unique, and you really need to not only look at the product, but also the environment. What is the tasks? How's it gonna be used? So in the instance that happened to me, he said, I'm a hunter and a pecker. I'm not a fast touch typist. I just need to see the keys occasionally. And this is the one that I can see the best. Thanks, like and subscribe. I hope this helps.